So I've been using this for about a month now. I really love it. It makes my teeth feel like I just came from the dentist. I can feel it inside my mouth. It's great. I'm pretty sure it's actually taken a few stains off my teeth as well. I actually bought 2 of these because I liked it so much. So I started off at maybe a 1 on the pressure level, and pretty soon I had it turned all the way up to 10. If it had a 20, I would turn it up to 20. It just, the feeling of the pressure just feels like it's knocking stuff right off your teeth that shouldn't be there. And I think that's what really gives it that feeling like you just came from the dentist.